Alright everybody, it's me, Gregory Manamino. It is Thursday, September 5th, 2019. Are you seeing this? It's incredible. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are, well off to the races here. Dow Jones Industrial Average up almost 400 points. Well, what's driving this? How about trade talks once again in the rinse-repeat cycle? So here's the story. I'm literally on my phone last night watching the stock futures, and they're not doing anything. All of a sudden, boom! I'm like, what just happened? Well, it was announced last night that, yeah, there's apparently going to be trade talks next month. You remember they were supposed to be this month, but it got put off. I mean, this is to the point of just being, frankly, asinine. Let's call it what it is. This is something we've been hearing now for almost 2 years. And every single time, without exception, that trade talks are back on, boom, we get this spike here in stocks. More importantly, and I covered this, it's the bond market. This is stripping fear right out of the bond market. Let's look at this real quick. Look at the 2-year, 1.514. Look at the 10. All right, 1.547. You see all the green there? Okay. What does that mean? The entire curve gone up, and just this should be clear to you now if you follow this blog what you're looking at here. Again, fear and greed drive the market. For some reason, this rinse cycle repeat dog shit story, true or not, has a profound effect on the stock market. And it's all giddy right now. Yesterday, we hear about currency intervention. We hear about a series of cuts coming from the Fed, and now this. This is enough to get the market rock hard, if you get my drift here. And it's working. It's an incredible thing. For nearly 2 years, the same thing keeps working on this retarded stock market. But look, use this to your advantage. You know what to do. If you're a trader, couldn't be more simple. If you're a stacker, good. Look what they're doing to gold and silver right now. Good. Take advantage of it. They're pounding it. We've had quite a run, so you should expect a little pullback anyway. But how many of you, really, with a show of hands, believe, like I do, that this rinse cycle of the same story, same headline, over and over and over again for nearly 2 years, and the stock market buys it every single time, is not just bordering on the retarded, but is or has gone full retard. Yeah, it has gone full retard. There's no doubt about it. I don't know another way to put it. How many more times is it going to work? Because here's what's going to happen more than likely. We're going to find out that either the talks are being put off again, or they can't come to an agreement, more tariffs. This is how it's going to play out. We already know it. And use that to your advantage as well. But for now, stocks are rock hard. They are loving it. Same story, same headline, rinse cycle, repeat over and over again. And again, the promise of easy money, the promise of mass debt expansion on an unprecedented scale has got this market, again, giddy as giddy can possibly be. So that's where we are at. Let's see. Let me just give you a live update here. Oh my Lord. Yeah, stocks they are just ripping higher here. Anyway, lovely. How many of you think this is lovely, or just there's no words for it anymore? In the rinse cycle yet again. I can't wait to hear what's going to happen when, let's say if by some miracle this doesn't work this time, same story, and stocks sell off. Are they going to pull the same thing again, let's say next month or the month after that? Trade talks back on, and guess what? They're tremendous. You can't make this stuff up. It's impossible to do, but it's real, and you're seeing it play out right before your freaking eyeballs. With that said, please share this video, get it out there. Love you a lot. See you at the end of this day. Wow.